Hi, welcome to the demo of lab assignment 2 of the coursework Programming for Web Cloud Based Applications. So, this lab assignment contains the three parts. The first one is video search using the YouTube API, and the second part is develop a tic-tac-toe game with the AngularJS, and the third part is friends and family. So the it gets the friends and family details using the Twitter API and visualize that one using the d3.js file. So now I'll go through and explain the part 1 video search using the YouTube API. So the main aim of this part is we have to design an application that displays the desired videos of the search keyword. So this uses the YouTube API. So the main technical things we have used here is HTML, JavaScript, AngularJS, CSS and Bootstrap. So this application contains the index.html page, so which has one search box and one button. In search box we enter the keyword and we click on the search button. It will be having a one search box. When we enter the keyword in this search box and click on the search button, it displays the desired videos related to that particular keyword. So here is the index page of this this application. So here we have a search box and search button. Now if I now search for a keyword called cricket and then I click on search, it will get the desired videos. So these are the videos related to the cricket. When I click on this, it plays. We can mute it, we can pause it, we can move forward and everything. And if I do any animation related movies, when I click on it, it will get me the animation movies. So right now I restricted this search for 5, so that's why it is showing 5. We can extend this for more than 5 also. So the logic of this code I'll explain right now. So this is the index page of that one. So this contains the style sheets related to that page, and this head section of this HTML page contains the CSS file, and this is the body of the HTML page. So this body of the HTML page contains the design of that one, the text box where we enter the keyword, and the search button. This is the button, search button. This will get the videos. So this is the get video based on the ID. So this is the function written in AngularJS. So now I'll move on to that file. This is the AngularJS file. So here we are using the YouTube API. This is the key for YouTube to connect, and here when I enter the keyword in the search box, so that value get obtained using this get element by ID, and using this search text I am sending a query to this YouTube API. So it will get the list of videos here, the scope.video list. So this list contains the set of videos, and these videos are displayed here. So get iframe source video list of index.id.video id. So in this iframe is a HTML tag used to display the videos in the HTML page. So in this frame we are displaying all the image videos. These all videos are displayed in this iframe portion. Now the second part of the assignment is tic-tac-toe game using the AngularJS. So the aim of this one is to develop an application, game application using the AngularJS. So this application will be played by two people or more than two people, and the dimension of the table will be minimum is 3x3 and maximum can be anything. And this application is developed using HTML, JavaScript, AngularJS, CSS and Bootstrap files. So this application contains the single web page, the index.html page, where it will display all the details. This is the index page of this tic-tac-toe application. So where it is like, see, the 3x3 is the basic one, minimum size of the table. The maximum is 10x10. So when I say start a new game, it creates a new table, 3x3 table, and when we click on this, it says a player 0 and another one is the player X. So this is the basic introduction about the tic-tac-toe game. So the design of the table and input options are written in the index.html page. So this is the index.html page. So the head section of the page contains the styles and the CSS file tick. The CSS file tick contains the styles of the borders, the table, and here we are in the body section. We are creating the drop down which is having the values from 3x3 to till 10x10, and we have a button to start a new game. And this one is the table formation of the table based on the user selection. So this is like all the rows will be repeated and columns will be repeated based on the user selection, and the output is displayed on the top of the board. And finally we have a reset button which will clears all the cell values and make it a new game. So let's run the game one time with the 3x3 player. I'll reset it and now I start playing. So player 0, player X, player 0, player X. If you see, this is the failure case, so nobody wins, 0 or X, nobody win. Next I'll reset and again I play 1, player O won the game. So now I play for a 4x4, start a new game. Player is a failure one. Is the one, player O is 1, is a reset it. So this logic is written in AngularJS file. It's called app.js. So where here we are getting the input values from that select, how much size the user selects, 2x2, 3x3 or 4x4 something. Based on that we create a table row and columns, and after that here we play the game. So the board.reset function will clears all the cell values. Row.push, then cell is empty, we are making all the cells empty, and check the row wise. So and this checks by the column wise, and this checks the diagonal wise, whether the x1 or a 0 1. This is the diagonal 1, diagonal 2. So it marks the winner who won the game. And this is the logic written in AngularJS. The third part of the assignment is the getting the friends and family details using the Twitter API, who are followed by me and whom are following me. So for this we use the Twitter API. The link is provided here. So, and also after getting all the details, we have to visualize them using the d3.js. So this application is developed using the HTML, JavaScript, AngularJS, CSS and Bootstrap. So this contains the AngularJS file, d3.js file and one index.html file, so which displays the user output. So now I'll show the all the files. So here is the HTML file, so which displays the tree structure visualization for the obtained values from the Twitter API. So this one contains the CSS values for table, and this head section contains the references for the scripts. This is the nd3.js and d3min.js and the jQuery, and the body section calls the tree visualization. And this application is developed using the AngularJS. So this is the AngularJS file. So to connect to the Twitter account to get the Twitter details, so we have to generate the consumer key, consumer secret token and token secret values. These all values are generated manually by using the Twitter Twitter website, and the username is K Balachandar, and we need a Twitter _oauth to make an authorization and to connect to the Twitter account. And we in this Twitter API we are using the favorites/list. This is the API we are using right now to get the list of the details. So here is the API references. So these are the Twitter API references to get the details. So we have to use the friends/list API to get the friends associated with my Twitter account. So right now I changed this one to friends/list, and the corresponding DND tree generation. So this d3 file.js file is used to generate the tree visualization for the obtained values. So here this tree will contain the parent node and the child node, and this all the child nodes will be sorted using this sorted function, and this will zoom in. This also has the ability to zoom in and zoom out the visualization part, so this can be done here. And the drag and drop also can be done using the initiate the drag function, and we can expand and collapse the d3 function. That can be done here, collapse and expand. And we can remove the function three node values as well. So all these functionalities we can see in the output. So this is the output we have. So here is my code in WebStorm. So now I'll run it using. So this is the output I got right now. So this is my name. So these are the friends and family members associated with my Twitter account. So these all names are got sorted using the sort function in the d3.js file, and I can drag and drop these values. So this web page is can be maximized. And minimized as well. So thanks for watching.